The future is now, and there are some amazing new technologies on the horizon. But there are also some unsettling and disturbing developments that you should be aware of. The human race may be greatly impacted by these new technologies. Even while we are ecstatic about scientific advancement, we must keep an eye on how some of these technologies are being applied. Some scientific advancements are easily exploited or put to frightening and harmful use. Let us look at the most alarming tech trends of the moment that everyone has to be aware of. Number 5. Editable humans. We now have the ability to alter inheritable genes in plants, animals, and our bodies thanks to CRISPR technology. Gene editing has enormous advantages since it can prevent sickness, correct genetic mutations that lead to life-threatening illnesses, get rid of food allergies, and guarantee that there is enough food for everyone on the globe. For instance, researchers are testing a technique to correct a DNA defect that results in Duchenne muscular dystrophy, a debilitating disorder that causes early death. CRISPR research on mice and canines has shown promise and may result in effective treatments for Duchenne muscular dystrophy in people. On the other hand, the idea of permanently changing genes that are inherited is risky. Through the use of CRISPR, we can alter genes in a way that ensures they are permanently incorporated into the genome and passed down from one generation to the next. Number 4. Deep fakes. While deepfake technology has many useful applications, including the recreation of historical personalities for educational settings and the provision of artificial intelligence, AI, enabled synthetic media accessibility tools to those who need them, malevolent exploitation of this technology is a problem. Whether they are of famous people, public characters, or powerful personalities in technology, deepfakes can be used to create images and videos of anyone and advance any goal. Deepfakes have become so sophisticated that it is now challenging to tell an actual video from a digital imitation. We will need techniques to confirm our identity when we enter, for instance, the metaverse, and now that we will spend increasingly more time online, we need to ensure the security of our interactions with others. Number 3. Nanobots. Researchers have created nanobots, or small robots at the nanoscale, which can cross the blood-brain barrier and enter the human bloodstream. This technology has a wide range of possible applications, including data gathering and transmission, the delivery of medications, and sample collection, but there is also a high risk of misuse. In the future, nanobots might be used to convey human thought. Weaponized nanobots might murder a single individual or a group of people, or even alter their memory so they start supporting the adversary. Significant privacy issues also exist in our modern culture of ever-connected electronics. What protects our mental and medical data in the world of nanobots? Strict regulation and control are necessary to promote transparency and put an end to these problems. Number 2. AI singularity. Artificial intelligence is progressing towards thinking at the level of humans in many ways. In some ways, we have already passed the AI singularity, a possible future point where AI surpasses human intelligence. Today's incredibly potent AI algorithms can perform better than people on many levels, which will have a significant influence on occupations. To create brain-computer interfaces, Neuralink has set itself the mission of doing so. That has always been Musk's top priority. The wealthy CEO has warned us repeatedly that machines will eventually catch up to humanity, which should inspire us to develop cutting-edge technology to prevent this from happening. According to experts, 80 to 90% of all present jobs will be enhanced by AI, and many of them will even become wholly obsolete. We need to consider how to get ready for this change and be flexible enough to perform tasks that can only be completed by humans. Number 1. AI in neurology. The discipline of neuro-oncology faces numerous obstacles that AI can help with. An illustration of this is the evaluation and diagnosis of brain tumors. About 500 magnetic resonance imaging, MRI scans of patients with brain tumors were used to train a machine learning system, according to research from Heidelberg University Hospital and the German Cancer Research Center. The developed method was capable of autonomously detecting and localizing brain tumors on the MRI scans, using volumetric tumor segmentation as a ground truth. These methods can be very helpful in making accurate diagnoses, for example, as well as helping to track the effectiveness of tumor therapy in a repeatable and unbiased manner. Outcome prediction is another way AI is used in neuro-oncology. To predict preoperative glioma survival, Emblem et al. Created a machine learning method, a support vector machine, based on MRI-based blood volume distribution data. Results revealed that in situations of aggressive glioma, the algorithm was able to predict survival between 6 months and 3 years with even greater accuracy than experts. I hope this doesn't scare you away from cheering on the technological revolution that we are in the middle of. Although there are downsides, there is also a lot of upside, which we will cover in a future video. If you like what we are doing here, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video.